In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Robinhood to another wallet. So this can be to Coinbase, Phantom Wallet, a cold wallet, or wherever else you want to send it to. For this video, I'll just use Phantom Wallet, but the steps are pretty much the same. So to do this, first just open up the wallet where you want to send the crypto to. So again, I'm using Phantom Wallet for this example, and then on the exchange or wallet you are sending to, just click on Receive or Deposit. And then from there select the cryptocurrency that you are transferring from Robinhood, which in my case is going to be Solana, and then copy your wallet address. After doing that, head back over to Robinhood and go to your crypto tab or your portfolio and find the cryptocurrency you are sending. So for me again Solana, and then scroll down and click on Send. From there you will then see this, so now just click Enter manually in the bottom. And then here paste in the wallet address that you want to send it to, so of your other wallet. Then click Continue. Then here choose how much you want to send. And then they may ask where is this crypto going. So if the other wallet is yours, just select myself. If it's someone else's, select that. And from there you will then have an overview. Now just click Submit, and after you submit it you may need to enter a verification code if you have that enabled. And after verifying it is you, the money will then be on its way to the other wallet. I would recommend sending a small amount first, see if it shows up, and if it does, then sending the rest. But if you follow these exact steps, it should show up. So that's how to send crypto from Robinhood to another wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.